Hello students and welcome back. This is the last part and part 3 of If I Were You MCQ. I hope you have enjoyed the part 1 and part 2. Let's start the part 3. The first MCQ question. As soon as Gerard realized that the intruder was a criminal, he pushed the intruder inside the cupboard, freaked out, informed the police, or remained calm and extended the conversation. So स्टूडेंट्स जैसे ही जेराड को पता लगा जो इंट्रूडर है वो एक क्रिमिनल है, एक पुलिस को मार के आया हुआ है, तो उसने क्या किया? ही रिमेन्ड काम, वो शांति बनाए रखा, उसने चुपचाप रहा कि भैया ये तो भैया क्रिमिनल है, ज़्यादा इसके साथ पंगा लूंगा तो ये मुझे मार वार देगा, तो इसलिए ही रिमेन्ड काम और उसने बातें करनी शुरू करी जिससे कि उसके दिमाग में होगा कि जब जैसी मौका मिलेगा तो मैं अपने आप को इससे बचाऊंगा. सो ही रिमेन्ड काम एंड एक्सटेंडेड द कन्वर्सेशन. हु kept a man posted on the main road? Police, Gerard, the tradesman, or the intruder? And students, the correct answer for this is Gerard. Gerard ने एक आदमी को बाहर पोस्ट किया हुआ था कि जैसे कोई पुलिस आए तो वो उसको बता सके. So he wanted that person to tell कि whenever if police comes, alert Gerard. So the answer is Gerard kept a man posted on the main road. In most melodramas, the villain is foolish enough to delay his killing, destructive, clever enough to kill, or overdressed. And answer for the students is in most melodramas, the villain is foolish enough to delay his killing. What all weapons did the criminal have? क्रिमिनल का मतलब यहाँ पे हम इंट्रूडर से है कि उसके पास कौन कौन से weapons थे. A knife, a revolver and a knife, or none of the above. And students, answer for this is very easy. You may have guessed. The criminal had a revolver with him. Who was a crook man in the drama? Gerard, the author, intruder, or none of the above. And students, answer for this is the crook man in the drama was intruder. Who claimed himself as a poor hunted rat? Gerard, author, sergeant, or intruder? And answer for this again, students, it was intruder who claimed himself as a poor hunted rat. So if we refer the book, intruder says, I have got freedom to gain. As for myself, I am a poor hunted rat. And as Vincent Charles Gerard, I am free to go places and do nothing. I can eat well and sleep and without having to be ready to beat it at the sight of a cop. So this is intruder. Okay, I've got a reason for everything. Who got a reason? ये जो स्टेटमेंट है ये किसने कही थी कि मेरे पास हर एक बात का एक रीजन है? Intruder, sergeant, Gerard, or the police? And answer for this students again is it was the intruder who said, I've got reason for everything. Careful boss, I'm watching you. Who is watching whom? Gerard was watching intruder, the police were watching intruder, or the police were watching Gerard, or intruder was watching Gerard. Students, the answer for this is careful boss, I'm watching you. This was said by the intruder to Gerard. When Gerard said, okay, I am picking my hat and bags and I'm going, then he said, careful boss, I am watching you. So answer is, intruder was watching Gerard. What does crook mean? Honest, dishonest, bent, or none of the above? And students, answer for this is, crook means dishonest. Who said the criminal to clear his muddled head? Gerard, the police, both Gerard and the police, or the man at Essex? And students, answer for this again. It was said by Gerard that clear your muddled head. So if we refer the book, For God's sake, clear that muddled head of yours and let's go. Come with me in the car. I can use you. If you find it's a frame, you've got me in the car and you've still got your gun. So it is said by Gerard to Intruder. Since the criminal in the drama killed a cop, all he did was he used to find a good person, he used to dodge to walk amidst the city, or he used to find a shelter. An answer for this, students, is since the criminal in the drama killed the cop, all he did was just to dodge. He just dodged. Who is referred to here as the sympathetic audience? Gerard, the police, intruder, or none of the above? And answer to the students is here in this drama, intruder is referred as sympathetic audience by Gerard, who had been hunted already long enough. The sergeant, Gerard, the intruder, or author? An answer for this again, student, is it's the intruder who has been already hunted long enough. Who was the protagonist of the drama? Gerard, sergeant, intruder, or the author? Again, students, it's an easy one. We know protagonist of the drama is Gerard. I've got brains and I use them. Who said this? Gerard, intruder, sergeant, or none of the above? And students, I've got brains and I use them. This was said by the intruder. Let's also refer the book. तो ये intruder कब कहता है? Gerard says, you seem to have taken a considerable amount of trouble. Since you know so much about me, won't you say something about yourself? You have been so modest. Intruder says, I could tell you plenty. You think you are smart, but I am the top of the class around here. I've got brains and I use them. कहता भैया मेरे पास दिमाग भी है और मैं उसको इस्तेमाल भी करता हूँ. That's how I've got here, got where I have. और इसीलिए मैं वहाँ पहुँचा हूँ जहाँ पे मैं अभी हूँ. फिर जेरार्ड बोलता है, and where precisely have you got? It didn't require a great brain to break into my little college. तो फिर ना जेरार्ड उसकी मजाक उड़ाता है कि अपने आप को तुम बड़ा समझदार अक्लमंद कहते हो, बट ज़्यादा दिमाग की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. मेरे तो छोटा सा कॉटेज है, इसमें कोई भी आराम से घुस जाता. फिर इंट्रूडर कहता है, when you know why I have broken into your little cottage, you will be surprised and it won't be a pleasant surprise. कहता है कि अगर तुमको पता लगा ना मैं तुम्हारे घर के अंदर क्यों आया हूँ, तुम्हारी ना पाँव तले ज़मीन खिसक जाएगी. You will be surprised and it won't be a pleasant surprise. और ये कुछ ज़्यादा अच्छा सरप्राइज भी नहीं होगा. So that's how this communication goes in the chapter. So intruder says, I've got brains and I use them as per the MCQ. Why did the intruder say to Gerard that the latter wouldn't be there for so long? Because he wanted to take Gerard to the cupboard and lock him up? Because he wanted to kidnap him? Or because he wanted to kill him? Again, students, a very easy answer. आपको पता है जब intruder आता है Gerard के घर में, उसका main aim हमने पहले ही पढ़ा था कि his main aim is to become Gerard himself. वो Gerard की identity लेना चाहता था. वो जेरार्ड को मारना चाहता था और खुद जेरार्ड बन जाना चाहता था. जैसे कि उसके पीछे जो पुलिस लगी हुई है क्योंकि उसने एक पुलिस वाले को मारा हुआ है, तो वो उन सब चीज़ों से उसको छुटकारा मिल जाए और अपनी वो फ्रीडम और मौज मस्ती करे जेरार्ड बन के. सो द इंट्रूडर सेड टू जेरार्ड दैट द लेटर वुडंट बी देयर फॉर लॉन्ग बिकॉज ही वांटेड टू किल हिम. That's the answer for this. And students, this was the last question for part 3 and this chapter. I hope you have enjoyed this video. मैं कोशिश करूँगा, I will try to upload the short question and answer also for all of the chapters very soon. Thank you students for watching this video. I wish you all the success and good luck for your exam and life.